Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to share a fall tablescape. Now I am in my dining room, but this tablescape can be a casual tablescape or it can be a little formal depending on the type of dinnerware that you add. You can make it a formal look for Thanksgiving or just any fall gathering. Now I'll be using a few of my neutral pumpkins that I DIY'd, and if you guys did not see that video, you can check out the fall DIY video and you can see how I made these pumpkins based on one that I purchased from Bella Bees. I will also be sprinkling in some beautiful fall colors throughout the tablescape. So like I said before, I will be in the dining room, but with the centerpiece, you can use this anywhere in your home. If you want to use this centerpiece idea on your mantle, kitchen table, buffet, or even an entrance table of your home. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you know guys, I have a very neutral dining room, but for this year I really wanted to set a little mood to the dining room and add some very warm color. So I wanted to add a nice rich runner down the center of the table. So my first layer will be the pumpkins. Okay, so I think I like this placement, and so now I want to make room for my candlesticks. Now, if anyone is wondering, the Garland came from Walmart originally. It was one of those bright orange and yellow, just traditional garlands. And so what I did was to add a little bit of gold spray paint to the leaves. Now, the ones like the burlap, I didn't touch at all. But then some of the other ones that were a brighter orange, I just kind of did a little spritz on the leaf with the gold. I didn't cover the leaf entirely, just a little spray here and there, and the same with these pumpkins. You can still see some of the orange showing through, and that was my intent, just to make it look as if the colors are changing, but just not in the bright yellow and in the bright gold. And so I think that worked out nice. I have used these leaves for the past couple of years, and this one that was in a brown color, I really like that one, and so I left that one as is. I didn't touch the pine cones, and then there was a little something here. I didn't touch that. So I didn't touch everything, just some of the pieces that were very bright I just spray painted. These leaves were also part of the garland, but they tend to get hidden underneath the pumpkin, so these are the pretty leaves in my opinion. So I pull those out and I will place those later where I feel they're needed. I also have some other leaves that I got from Hobby Lobby. These came in a package of maybe 12, and I'll be placing these throughout the tablescape as well. And these candle holders came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so if you like a neutral tablescape, you can stop here and just add your candle. But I'm going to keep going with a few more details. Okay, so next I'm going to use these picks that I got from Kirkland's, and I shared these in my Kirkland's haul. Okay, so next I'm going to add a pop of color with these berries. So my last layer, I'm going to spread a few of these leaves around the table, just filling in some of the gaps, and then I will add my candles and then these little votive cups. These came from Hobby Lobby, and then these beautiful candles came from a local store here, Bella Bee, and these are a beautiful style in the hobnail pattern. And the color, it looks taupe, but it's a beautiful caramel color. Okay guys, so for the last layer, I'm just going to add a simple place setting. I want to add these pretty placemats that I got from Home Goods a while ago, and then these simple plates. Alright guys, so this is my next look, and this is more simplified. This is something that you can keep out on your table every day and not feel so overwhelmed. So tell me, which look do you like best? Do you like less is more, or do you like over the top and more is more? Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. And I hope to see you guys at my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.